Sir, screen sharing is not visible, sir.
Not visible to you? To all or to you only?
Yes, sir.
My is not visible to all? Huh?
Visible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Visible,
Only
sir.
question till now question only. Answer not shared. Still question only I am sharing. Okay. Okay. I am sharing question now. I am
also
reading
not
question
visible,
only.
sir.
Huh? Maybe
Question also not visible, sir.
Yeah? Huh? What am I? Tell me. Kavya.
Question also not visible, I am telling, sir.
To you only, others they are visible. Once your network in the phone signal is there or not, network signal once see. When mobile data is network is there not, once check. For you means your phone problem. For all means it's my side problem. Ma Sirish and Nikita are sitting together. Okay, good, good, good. Sirish and Nikita. Okay, good. Okay, next. See here. Now, second case, they meet in 1 hour means the distance, two differences means speed into time, speed x kilometers per hour, time 1 hour x, and B, station B, the speed is y kilometers, y into 1 y, then total distance equal to 100 kilometers, x plus y equal to 100 kilometers. And now I am sharing that one, the diagram first I can share. I can share the diagram. See, ma, you see here. I want to show first. Ma, mute, don't discuss. Mute yourself. Shirisha and Nikita, mute yourself. Don't discuss with each other. Others will disturb. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Good, good. Good work, both of you. Is Manoj now late joining? Manoj, okay. See the diagram? Is it visible to all the diagram? Is it visible the diagram? See.
Yes, sir.
This is a station from A and this is a station from B. The distance between station A and station B 100 kilometers. If they travel same direction means A started here and traveled to this direction and B started here. B also traveling this direction. See arrow mark I kept. This is A distance in same direction. B also same this direction only. They traveled in the same direction means from this to this distance minus B distance. Ma Bindu mute. Bindu mute your phone. Bindu. Okay, the difference equal to 100 kilometers. See here, from this side to this side, this is the distance minus this distance equal to 100. Is it clear, Amma, to all? Why you are subtracting? Is it clear to all? Ma, is it clear? Huh? Why you have to subtract in the same direction means because this is a car starting from A in the same direction this side, B started and the same direction this side. Difference of these two distances is equal to 100 kilometers. Now in second case, this is second case, Amma. See, car starting from A towards each other means this is in this way. B started from this way. Means they are coming opposite towards each other means A starting from here, B starting here. That's why the total distance equal to 100 kilometers. The difference you have to understand. That's why diagram means you can understand that. I draw diagram. Today participants 23, Amma. 23 means 22 plus 3, 25 students. Good. Almost all are joined. Still 5 more members are there. So what is your problem? Problems? Today good score. Because Bindu and Nikita are sitting together, I think Sirish and Nikita sitting together, and Karthik and Vinita sitting together, and one more One more. Manasa and Shahid are sitting together. Okay. Understand this diagram? You understand this diagram? Can we go to some? Can I share the answer?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
understood some? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why if they are
Yes,
going same direction? We have to subtract the distances that equal to 100. 5x. This is the distance of 5x. This is the distance of 5y. 5x minus 5y equal to 100. That's the first equation. Second equation, this is x kilometers time 1 hour, x kilometers, this is y kilometers, x plus y equal to 100. These are the two equations. If you solve both the equations, you have to draw diagram in the examination also. You have to draw diagram and you can show to them. Okay, now I'm sharing the answer page. Wait. We have to go to exercise. 1 minute, Amma. Here he gave. See, let the speed of first car. Car means he mentioned in U wheel, Amma. He mentioned U and V. Let the speed of first car and second car be U kilometers and V kilometers. I told X and Y. Here he mentioned U kilometers and V kilometers per hour. Respective speed of both cars while they are traveling in the same direction means we have to subtract the two speeds. You first will subtract the speeds. In that way, I can do it. U minus V, respective speed of both cars while they are traveling in opposite directions means traveling towards each other means in opposite direction. Opposite direction, nothing but traveling towards each other. That is U plus V. Here subtract, here addition. Now, according to the given information, the sum is 5 of U minus V equal to 100. Means 5U minus 5V equal to 100. What I told, what he wrote, the same meaning. So, divide by 5 on both sides. U minus V equal to 20. Next case, 1 into U plus V equal to 100. That means U plus V equal to 100. If you solve both the equations, U minus V equal to 20, U plus V equal to 100 means the elimination method, V cancel, 2U equal to 120. Then U equal to 60 kilometers. Substituting this value in the equation 2, then you will get V equal to 40. 40 plus U equal to 20, then okay. Speed of one car is 60 kilometers per hour. Speed of another car is 40 kilometers per hour. Understand this sum all? Here today this notes. Understand to all? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Doubts? No doubt now. I'm going to next sum. I'm going to next sum.
Okay.
Next question is see, this is important question. This also. Fourth one important. Fifth one also important only. See, area of a rectangle gets reduced. Amma, mute. Supriya, stop video and mute Supriya. Good. Then you will get signal nicely. Again on Supriya. Ma Supriya again. Stop video also. All are like that. Stop video, signal problem. Next, see, the area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. Area gets reduced by 9 square units. If its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. This is the first case, Amma. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. That means here you have to find the dimensions of the rectangle. Dimensions means what dimensions?
Length and breadth. Length and breadth.
Breadth. Mute Santosh. Shresh Charita, Santosh, mute them both. Shresh Charita also. Okay. Now, length and breadth are, let the length of the rectangle be x units. Let the length of the breadth of the rectangle be y units. Now, area means the formula for area of rectangle.
L into B.
Very good. L into B. That means x into y. Xy square units. Here, The condition, first equation condition is the area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. When what he did, he will get reduced to 9 means if its length is reduced by 5, length reduced by 5 means decreased. Length, I will suppose x, reduced by 5 means x minus 5. Breadth is increased. Breadth increased by 3 means y plus 3. X minus 5, y plus 3. Area means L into B. X minus 5 of y plus 3. X minus 5 of y plus 3 equal to the area gets reduced. Original area is x into y. Reduced by 9 means xy minus 9. This is the first equation, Amma. If we simplify, we will get first equation. First information, first equation is
Yes, sir.
minus
Sir.
5 of y plus 3 is equal to xy minus 9. That is the first equation. And then second case, what is given means if we increase the length by 3 units and the breadth by 2 units, both increase, means in second case x plus 3 and y plus 2. X plus 3 and y plus 2. Then area means x plus 3 of y plus 2 equal to this time the area increased by 67 square units. Original area is xy plus 16. This is the second case, Amma. Understand na? Is it understand, Amma, orally? What I explain?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Understand na?
Sir.
Now see the answer now. Okay. Mute. Good boys, girls. Mute your phones. Everything. Now see answer as shown on the screen. Let length and breadth of rectangle be x units and y units respectively. Length and breadth of rectangle be x unit and y unit respectively. Area L into B. L into B is x into y square units. According to the question, he wrote directly, Amma. What I explained, he wrote directly. Length reduced x minus 5, breadth increased y plus 3. Then L into B is equal to area reduced by 9 means xy minus 9. This is the equation you got. Simplification, xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15. xy cancel. Minus 15 plus 9 means minus 6. After simplification, you'll get this equation. 3x minus 5 minus 6 equal to 0. That is the first equation we got. And then our second equation is, see, in second case, length and breadth both increased. Means x plus 3 increased. X plus 3, breadth increased by 2. Y plus 2, area L into B. X plus 3 of y plus 2 is equal to area increased by 67 square units. Area x into y increased by 67 means xy plus 67. Again multiplication, xy plus 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y plus xy minus xy cancel. 6 minus 67 means 61 equal to 0. So we have two equations. One is 2x minus 5 minus 6 equal to 0. Another equation is 2x plus 3y minus 61 equal to 0. He did by cross multiplication method directly. By cross multiplication method, x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Then x by t23, y by 171 by 1 by 9. Hence x equal to 17, y equal to 9. The length and breadth of the rectangles are 17 units and 9 units respectively. Now if you want to check means length 17. First case what he did? He did 17. 17 times how much? 79s are 171 only. Sorry, 79s are 153. 79s are 153. Okay, now 17 minus 5. 17 minus 5 means 12. Next 9 plus 3, 12. 12 are 144. 144 minus 9, 9 7 sorry 9 7 63 153. 144 plus 9 reduced by 9 na 144 kadamma ఇది మల్టిప్లై చేద్దామండి 17 minus 5 12 17 minus 5 12 1 minute, wait. 144, correct only. X into y means 153. 153 minus 9, 144. 144 equal to 144. Understand? Ma, verification. Ma, Santosh? Santosh?
Sir, I didn't understand.
Yes, sir, understand.
Understand. Once again, I'm telling, wait. See, length 17, Litish. Length 17, length.
Yes, sir.
Breadth 9, Now,
Yes, sir.
length decreases by 5 means 12 units. 17 minus 5, 12. Breadth 9, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 are 144. 12 are 144 LHS side. RHS side original area means 17 9s are 153. 17 9s are 153. 153 minus 9. 153 minus 9, 144. LHS side 144, RHS side 144. Verification. Your answer correct or not for that? Is it okay?
Sir, in exam important, sir. In exam.
In the exam, no need. You want to check your answer. Whenever you did somewhere any calculation error you did for checking purpose. In the exam, no need to do verification. Okay, your answer correct. Just I am
Okay, sir.
just okay. Now second equation, see, length increased by 3 means 17 plus 3 20. Y 9 plus 2 11. 20 11s are 220. 20 11s are 220. Now area 153. Original area 153. 153 plus 67 220. 153 plus 67 220. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Like that, two conditions satisfied. Hence my answer is correct. What I got, that is correct only. Like that, for checking no need to do. You don't need to do verification.
Okay, sir.
Up to here only how to do. Just for confirmation, I'm explaining to you how some any calculation error, roughly you can verify your answers. Word problem,
Okay,
so many
sir.
steps you'll write somewhere where you got mistake. That's chef for verification. I told. Understand my two questions. Most important.
Yes, sir.
Previous distance, speed, time. This is related to area sum, distance sum, digit sum, and ages sum, fixed charges, library, hostel, fixed charges sum. These are all important only. Word problems, any one question you will get in the exam. Now, once which are important, I'll tell on this. Yash scored. Yash there na Yash. This Yash score also. Kavesri. Print touches and Kavesri. Print touches not above. Okay. Now, this distance, speed, this one, and Yash scored sum. These are all important only. Fractions, some fractions. And this hostel fare. These are the important model sums. And bank, she paid, Sarita paid bank coins 2,000 rupees. She got 50 rupee notes, 100 rupee notes. Those are all important sums. These are all sums are important. Okay, word problem you'll get compulsory. So with this, successfully you have completed all the word problems and 3 more word problems there. 1 more worksheet is there. That worksheet is mainly with variables. That is a different worksheet. See in that, what is the difference means I show to you the questions. Here you see questions in exercise 3.6 first question. Solve the following pair of linear equations by reducing them to form a linear equation. Actually, they are not in the form of linear equations. Here, one point you have to remember, in the denominator, variables are there means we have to suppose. Here, 2 by root x is there, variable is there. That 1 by root x is a and 1 by root y is b. You have to suppose. These are all you have to suppose a and b, and you have to get ab equations. That I will tell tomorrow neatly because already 5 minutes are left over. Just oral I am telling. These all sums they have in the denominator variables. Here also 1 by 2x by 1 by 3y means let 1 by x be a and 1 by y be b. You have to suppose. Here also only 1 by x is there, 1 by x is a, equal to b. You have to suppose. These are all you have to write in the standard form. These are all equations we have to write in a standard form. Standard form means, what is the standard form in linear equation? What is standard form?
A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0.
Tell. Yes, you tell.
A2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0.
a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. You have to bring into that form. That's why if in the denominator, like these variables are there, we have to suppose here 1 by x is a and 1 by y is a, and you have to write in standard form. First you have to find ab values, afterwards you can find x and y values. That's why these sums also you'll definitely get in the exam. Directly, if not given solve, they can give this worksheet. 3.6 is most important. And here also, in second question, 1 by root x is a and 1 by root y is b. You have to suppose first you have to find ab values and then you can find x and y. And here in third question, 1 by x is a, you have to suppose y equal to b and you have to solve. Here you see 1 by x minus 1 full, you have to suppose a. 1 by x minus 1. Here also 1 by x minus is there. Here also 1 by x minus 1 is there. So 1 by x minus 1 is a, you have to suppose. 1 by y minus 2 is b, you have to suppose. Then you have to solve both the equations. And in this we have to divide by xy. Otherwise, first cross multiplication. After that, divide by xy. Then they will come into 1 by x and 1 by y form. Then you can simplify. Here also divide by xy on both sides. Divide by xy on both sides. Then 1 by x and 1 by 5 will come. And in this question, you see, here 1 by x plus y full, you have to suppose a, and 1 by x minus y is, you have to suppose b. Then your equation will come as 10a plus 2b equal to 4, 15a minus 5b equal to minus 2. We can solve. Lokesh, tell me, Babu, Lokesh. Tell me, Lokesh. You raise your hand. You have to tell. Simply don't do experiments on the screen. What is your doubt? You can ask me. 1 by x plus y is a and 1 by x minus y is b. Then 10a plus 2b equal to 4. 15a minus 5b equal to minus 2. Yes? And here, 1 by 3x plus y full a. Full 3x plus y full a and 3x minus y is b. Then a plus b equal to 3 by 4. Here 1 by 2a minus 1 by 2b is equal to minus 1 by 8. So those solvations we can learn tomorrow, not today. These 3.6 we can learn tomorrow. What you have to do means up to 3.5 you have to complete in class book without any pending. Up to exercise 3.5 you have to complete it, exercise 3.5. And Sunday exam is there in polynomials, Google Forms, online exam only in polynomials. Like, how is it, Amma? You are writing, all are, no, you know how to write? Everyone know, na? You are having any problem to write test? This time everyone should participate. How many are attending the classes? Today, how many are attended? We'll see. 21. Somebody went back, I think. 21 means 25. 25, I think.
Sir,
Tell
two
me.
members can't write test, sir.
2 members can't write. Why?
It's coming already. You have used.
That's why you have to use another phone, Amma. I told her to use. You have to use another phone.
Not available, sir.
Not available.
One member will write on paper and keep photos.
Like that he keep. Did not last time Vinita only telling you?
Yes,
Vinita only
sir.
na?
Yes, sir.
Hindu attended, Vinita attended, Akifa, Yutika attended, Kavya, Kaushik, Litish Reddy attended, Lokesh, Mahit, Manoj, Meghana, Maulabi, Nitish, Rahul, class, Kaushik, Litish Reddy again, Manoj, Tiwari, Meghana, Maulabi, Nitish, Rahul, Santosh, Shaidan, Manasa, Somasekara, Shrestharita, Supriya, Venkatesh. These are all attended for the class, today's class, 21 plus 3 or 4, you can say 25 participants. Along with me, 25 participants attend the class. Exam, 25 students should write. 25 students should write. Okay. Now the class is going to end up within a few seconds. Few seconds, less than 1 minute time. Few seconds. Less than 1 minute time only. Complete the class, sir, up to 3.5. Okay. All understand what I told today? 2 word problems important. Figure also I shared. I will share the notes today. PDF I will send in the WhatsApp. PDF I will send word problems PDF and I will send the PDF today. Okay, thank you for all. Good children. Today is good.
Thank you, sir.
Class is nice.